Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll delve into an interesting problem that many programmers encounter when using compound literals in C. The problem revolves around understanding the potential costs involved in utilizing compound literals, particularly in scenarios where they are passed by value or by reference to functions. Now let's dive into the solution to this problem. Memory management in C is crucial, and the C standard does allow compilers to reuse memory that is technically still in scope. However, it's important to note that scope and lifetime are distinct concepts in C. Objects, including compound literals, have a specific lifetime within the program's execution. In the case of compound literals declared inside a function, their lifetime is tied to the enclosing block, allowing the compiler to optimize their space once they are no longer needed. In summary, while the C standard permits compilers to optimize memory usage for compound literals based on their lifetime, careful consideration must be given to how objects are utilized within the program. By understanding the nuances of scope and lifetime in C, developers can write more efficient and optimized code. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. And as always, happy coding!